All right, lesson 79. We are deep into negatives and positives and how to add and subtract and how to simplify them and stuff like that. So basically this is, in my opinion, an extension of the last lesson where not two wrongs make a right, but two negatives do equal a positive. So whenever we see, I just went right into the practice ones here. I don't really have anything else to say except for to just do some and show you what it looks like. Whenever you see these two negatives, those equal a positive. And these are two negatives, so negative 3 minus negative 4 is the same thing as taking these equal positive, these two equal a positive. So it's basically 3, and then that is plus 4. It equals 7. Okay? Just because the two negatives equal a positive. All right, let's go to B. So I have a positive and a negative. What does that always equal? It always equals a negative. So that is going to stay at negative 5. And then plus negative 6. These two are going to equal a positive. So I'm going to have negative 5 plus 6. Negative 5 plus 6 equals 1. All right. C. So they get a little longer here. Nothing to be scared of. Negative plus 6 is negative 6. I have two negatives here. These two negatives equal a positive. So I'm going to drop that down. Plus 8. Then it just gives me a plus 7. I can do that. Negative 3. Ooh, yay. Turn that into a positive. 3, writing with my right hand. Plus negative 5 is the same thing as subtracting 5. Equals. Woo. All right, so we know how to do this. I'll try and do it quickly. So negative 6 plus 8 is a positive 2. Plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. Minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7. So in my opinion, this equals 7. I should check the answers before I upload this. Okay, so looking at this, we have quite a few negative, and whenever you see negative, you turn it into a positive. So here we go. I'm just going to do that real quick. You could choose this negative and this negative, or you could choose these two right next to each other. That's what I'm going to do. And I see these two right next to each other, and that's what I'm going to do. So drop this down. I get a positive 3, which is the same thing as 3. Minus positive 4 is the same thing as minus 4. Plus 6 plus just a regular 6 equals. 3 minus 4, or if I have $3 and I spend 4, I get a negative 1. Then I go up another 6 and I get up at a positive 5. So this disaster equals 5. And so, yeah, I think that's good. Hopefully you'll be able to do your homework off of that. And then when we come into classes, we'll go ahead and go through some of the homework questions that you had from last week, all right? See ya.